Elon Musk, a billionaire investor and entrepreneur, poked fun at Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates with a witty tweet on Saturday morning. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla Incorporated, used Twitter to publish a photo of Bill Gates with an emoji of a man with a large tummy. Musk tweeted the image saying, "In case you need to lose a boner fast." Now, we can't really translate what Musk meant when he said losing a boner rapidly, but it's clear that Musk is furious with Bill Gates, and in today's video, we'll try to explain why. Elon Musk's post appears to be a dig at Bill Gates for his romance with a Microsoft employee, which resulted in his divorce from Melinda Gates. What did Gates do that triggered the world's richest man? And how does it involve Tesla? Keep watching to find out. One of the reasons Musk is enraged with Bill Gates is because the former Microsoft CEO sought to short his Tesla stock positions worth $500 million, which might have pushed Tesla's stock prices down. Now, billionaires betting against Tesla is nothing new, but Bill Gates is quite influential, and this was such an unexpected move. In case you were wondering, short selling means borrowing shares from other investors ahead of time and then selling them. The shares can then be sold by that party, but the short seller must repurchase them later and restore them to their original owner who lent them. This is often done by financial professionals and analysts to obtain high margin returns, and it may be quite profitable unless your prediction is incorrect, in which case you lose a large sum of money to your investors. Financial experts have a long history of short-selling equities and profiting handsomely, but since this is Tesla we're talking about, it's a bit disconcerting. We'll get back to this in a minute. Bill Gates allegedly contacted Elon Musk to talk philanthropy on climate change, according to Twitter user Holmar's Catalog, who provided photographs of a purported conversation between Elon Musk and Bill Gates. Elon Musk, on the other hand, addressed Gates, asking if he still had a $500 million short position on Tesla stock. Gates responded by saying, "Sorry to report, I haven't closed it out," implying that Gates still has significant short holdings in Tesla, potentially disrupting the stock's price. Gates then stated that he wanted to talk about philanthropic opportunities. Musk responded to Bill Gates, claiming that he can't take this climate change philanthropy seriously because he has a large short position on Tesla, the firm doing the most to address the problem. This is a solid point. As the leading electric vehicle brand, Tesla has invested a lot, not only by working on its goals, but by proving that a lot that was thought impossible can be achieved. At the very least, Tesla has lit a fire under a lot of automotive brands to jump into the electric vehicle industry and make the transition, which could only be good for the environment. Elon Musk was also tagged in a tweet to confirm whether or not the incident was accurate. Elon Musk reacted to the Twitter user by stating that it was correct and that he did not inform the New York Times about it. Musk clarified this by saying, "It had to have come from friends of friends. I heard from numerous people that Ted and Gates still had a $500 million short against Tesla, which is why I approached him." Elon Musk, with his trademark way, not only ridiculed Bill Gates with his first meme, but also managed to call out Twitter, a business he had been attempting to acquire. Elon Musk responded to his own tweet, in which he poked fun at Bill Gates by saying the Shadow Ban Council was looking into it. Elon Musk was essentially referring to Twitter's secretive function, in which the social media company has a tendency to limit the reach of tweets and viewpoints in which it appears to disagree. In this case, the user is unaware that their tweet has been restricted. Instead, Twitter shadow bans the message without notifying the user. Why was Musk so worked up though? What exactly is a short position, and how does it impact Tesla? As we said earlier, a short position is a trading strategy in which a trader sells securities at a higher price and then buys them back at a lower price later. When a trader believes the price of a security is going to fall in the near future, he may decide to short it. Bill Gates' $500 million short bets in Tesla are negative for Elon Musk because large short transactions by powerful individuals like Bill Gates would certainly cause fear in the market, causing stock prices to plummet in the future. Musk may have believed that Gates was holding short Tesla positions in order to acquire power over him, so he took action. Elon Musk later wrote a short cryptic tweet on Sunday stating he was moving on, igniting a firestorm of speculation on social media. Musk then clarified that his remark was in reference to his Twitter spats with Bill Gates, Microsoft's co-founder and billionaire. Gates has yet to make a public statement in response to Musk's tweets. There were rumors that Gates held a short position on Tesla, but he never verified whether or not he owned any of the company's stock. Gates refused to discuss his position in an interview with CNBC. However, in an interview a few days later, Gates clarified his position, essentially confessing to shorting the stock. Betting against companies seems great, unless, like in the case of Tesla, the firm you're betting against keeps exceeding expectations. Tesla has demonstrated a voracious appetite for new heights, and it appears that it will continue to do so. The firm is known today, and has been for a long time, for its cult following, which is a collection of people who act as a fan base and are adamant about the brand's ideals, innovations, growth, and Elon Musk. However, when the firm went public, a group of people were skeptical of its success and valuation. They believed Tesla's stock prices were far too high and would shortly plummet. Since at least 2010, according to S3 Partners, a financial technology and analytics business, the electric car maker has been shorting investors' biggest targets and most painful bets. Between 2017 and 2021, investors who gambled against Tesla lost $52 billion. To be truthful, the sum is closer to $57 billion if you look back to 2010. In fact, Tesla was named the worst performing domestic short position in the last decade or longer by Eeyore Dusanowski. Michael Burry, a well-known investor, is said to have been one of Tesla's top short sellers, with a bet against the company worth more than $500 million. Scion Asset Management, run by Michael Burry, is no longer using puts to short Tesla shares. He still maintains a bearish position on Tesla, though. In a tweet that appeared to address Elon Musk's sensitive position of using some of his Tesla Incorporated stock to fund his takeover of Twitter. On the heels of this, Burry supported short sellers, saying with the procession of things, Tesla could fall by 80% to 90%. Musk is currently paying $44 billion for Twitter, using a $12.5 billion margin debt secured by Tesla stock to fund the purchase. According to Bloomberg calculations, if Tesla stock falls below $740, as it did for a brief period in February 24th, Musk may not be able to cover the entire debt. Musk may have to sell Tesla stock to meet a $21 billion equity commitment he made for the deal. This leaves things kind of shaky at the moment, but Tesla stock is slowly seeing an upward climb, hopefully back to $1,000. According to sources, this climb is being fueled by the reopening of Tesla's Shanghai plant. Musk and Gates are both among the world's wealthiest people and have previously openly feuded over issues such as electric vehicles, COVID-19, and populating Mars. They seem to have different approaches and values, so perhaps it's not so surprising that Gates is betting against Tesla. However, it may not be a good idea to bet against Elon Musk, as history has shown. Despite the fact that Toyota and Volkswagen produce significantly more money and sell far more cars, Tesla's market valuation of $941 billion is more than 3 times that of Toyota, which is valued at about $236 billion. While the number of short sellers has decreased, there are still some like Gates who hold fast on their beliefs, providing us a lesson in perseverance and maintaining their belief that Tesla's stock prices will continue to fall to already absurd levels. What's your take on the entire situation? Comment down below.